Self-confidence plays a crucial role in navigating the uncertainties of life, especially in today's world, which is rife with challenges and unpredictability. In an era marked by rapid change and constant pressure, having a strong sense of self-belief empowers individuals to face obstacles head-on and make informed decisions. This inner strength not only helps in overcoming fears, but also fosters resilience, enabling one to adapt and thrive amidst adversity. The journey of self-discovery and personal growth is transformative. It encourages individuals to explore their strengths, confront their weaknesses, and ultimately cultivate a deeper understanding of themselves. This process is essential for building self-confidence, as it allows individuals to recognize their potential and embrace their unique qualities. As we delve into this topic, we will explore various philosophical insights and practical analogies that illustrate the significance of self-confidence. By examining different perspectives, we can better appreciate how self-belief influences our actions and shapes our experiences. This exploration will not only highlight the importance of self-confidence in personal development, but also provide valuable tools for fostering it in our daily lives, equipping us to navigate the complexities of the modern world with greater assurance and clarity. Self-confidence serves as a vital foundation for effective decision-making and resilience in the face of challenges. External influences such as societal expectations, peer pressure, and cultural norms can significantly impact personal choices, often leading individuals to second-guess themselves or conform to others' opinions. In such a landscape, trusting oneself becomes paramount. Self-confidence allows individuals to navigate these pressures with clarity and conviction. When one believes in their abilities and instincts, they are more likely to make choices that align with their true values and aspirations rather than succumbing to external demands. This self-trust fosters resilience, enabling individuals to bounce back from setbacks and maintain their course even when faced with adversity. Encouraging viewers to reflect on their own self-belief and inner strength is essential in this discussion. By recognizing and nurturing their self-confidence, individuals can empower themselves to make decisions that resonate with their authentic selves, rather than merely reacting to outside influences. This journey of self-discovery not only enhances personal growth, but also cultivates a robust sense of resilience, equipping individuals to face life's uncertainties with courage and determination. Ultimately, self-confidence is the key to unlocking one's potential and navigating the complexities of decision-making. Friedrich Nietzsche's philosophy offers profound insights into self-empowerment and personal growth, particularly through his concept of the will to power. This idea represents an internal strength that drives individuals to assert themselves, overcome obstacles, and strive for greatness. Nietzsche believed that the will to power is not merely a desire for dominance over others, but rather an intrinsic motivation to realize one's potential and achieve personal excellence. Embracing this concept encourages individuals to tap into their inherent capabilities, leading to self-transcendence, a state where one surpasses their limitations and evolves into a more authentic version of themselves. By recognizing and harnessing this internal force, individuals can break free from societal constraints and expectations, allowing them to forge their own paths. Nietzsche's philosophy invites viewers to reflect on their own lives and consider the power they possess within. It challenges them to explore their unique strengths and capabilities, fostering a sense of agency and purpose. As individuals embark on this journey of self-discovery, they can unlock their potential and cultivate a deeper understanding of themselves, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and empowered existence. Embracing the will to power can transform lives and inspire profound personal growth. Life can be likened to a ship navigating through turbulent waters where obstacles and challenges often arise unexpectedly. Just as a captain must steer their vessel through storms, individuals must confront the uncertainties that life presents. In this analogy, the captain's reliance on intuition and skills serves as a powerful metaphor for self-trust. A skilled captain knows that trusting their instincts and experience is crucial for making quick, effective decisions in the face of adversity. Similarly, cultivating self-trust allows individuals to navigate their own life's challenges with confidence and clarity. When faced with difficult choices or unexpected setbacks, trusting oneself becomes essential for charting a course toward success. Encouraging viewers to develop their own internal compass for decision-making is vital in this context. By honing their ability to listen to their instincts and reflect on past experiences, individuals can strengthen their self-trust and enhance their resilience. Just as a captain learns to read the winds and currents, people can learn to recognize their strengths and values, guiding them through life's unpredictable seas. Ultimately, embracing self-trust empowers individuals to overcome obstacles and sail toward their goals with determination and assurance. Accepting vulnerability is essential in navigating the risks of life, much like a tightrope walker who must maintain a delicate balance between confidence and risk. As the tightrope walker steps onto the thin line high above the ground, they embody the courage to embrace uncertainty while trusting their skills and instincts. This analogy illustrates that life often requires us to take calculated leaps of faith, stepping out of our comfort zones to pursue our goals and dreams. Encouraging viewers to embrace these moments of vulnerability is crucial. It is through these experiences that we truly grow. While the fear of falling may loom large, it is important to recognize that each misstep can provide valuable lessons. Learning from failures and mistakes is a vital part of the journey, as it equips us with the knowledge and resilience needed to navigate future challenges. Just as a tightrope walker adjusts their technique after a stumble, individuals can refine their approach to life by reflecting on their experiences. By accepting vulnerability and the inherent risks that come with it, we open ourselves to new opportunities and personal growth, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and enriched life. Connecting with one's intuition is vital, especially amidst the external noise of societal expectations and pressures. The metaphor of a lone wolf serves as a powerful illustration of instinctual survival. This solitary creature relies on its instincts to navigate the wilderness, hunt for food, and protect itself. Similarly, individuals must learn to tune into their inner voice, discerning their true selves from the cacophony of external influences. In a world filled with competing opinions and expectations, it can be challenging to identify what truly resonates with us. Encouraging viewers to embrace their intuition empowers them to make choices that align with their personal values rather than conforming to societal norms. By listening to that inner guidance, individuals can cultivate a deeper understanding of their desires and aspirations, leading to more authentic decision-making. This process of self-discovery allows one to break free from the constraints of external expectations and embrace a path that feels right for them. Ultimately, prioritizing intuition fosters a sense of clarity and purpose, enabling individuals to navigate life's complexities with confidence and authenticity. Embracing the lone wolf mentality can lead to a more fulfilling and empowered existence, rooted in self-awareness and personal truth. Self-exploration is an inherently personal journey, marked by the uniqueness of each individual's experiences and truths. Encouraging viewers to embrace their personal journeys is essential, as it allows them to uncover their authentic selves and understand their motivations, desires, and values. Each person's path is distinct, shaped by their backgrounds, challenges, and triumphs, making self-discovery a deeply enriching process. While learning from others can provide valuable insights and perspectives, it is crucial to maintain one's individuality throughout this journey. By appreciating the diverse experiences of others, individuals can gain inspiration and wisdom without losing sight of their own identities. This balance fosters a sense of community while honoring the personal nature of self-exploration. Moreover, emphasizing personal responsibility is vital in navigating one's life path. Each individual holds the power to make choices that align with their values and aspirations, ultimately shaping their destiny. Acknowledging this responsibility empowers individuals to take ownership of their journeys, fostering growth and resilience. By embracing their unique experiences and truths, viewers can cultivate a deeper understanding of themselves, leading to a more fulfilling and authentic life. Ultimately, self-exploration is a celebration of individuality and the transformative power of personal responsibility. Encouraging critical thinking and questioning of external truths is essential for personal growth and understanding. In a world filled with established beliefs and ideologies, it is important to challenge these norms rather than accept them at face value. By questioning the status quo, individuals can uncover deeper insights and develop a more nuanced perspective on life. This process of inquiry allows viewers to seek their own truths through personal experience, fostering a sense of autonomy and empowerment. Engaging with different viewpoints and critically analyzing them can lead to transformative realizations that shape one's beliefs and values. Moreover, the act of questioning is a powerful catalyst for personal growth. It encourages individuals to explore their thoughts, feelings, and motivations, ultimately leading to a richer understanding of themselves and the world around them. As viewers embark on this journey of inquiry, they are invited to embrace curiosity and remain open to new ideas, even if they challenge long-held beliefs. This willingness to explore and question not only enhances personal development, but also cultivates a more informed and thoughtful society. By prioritizing critical thinking, individuals can navigate life with greater clarity and confidence, forging their own paths based on authentic understanding rather than external dictates. In a chaotic world filled with constant change and external pressures, the importance of authenticity and self-trust cannot be overstated. Encouraging viewers to embrace their unique identities is essential. Each person possesses distinct qualities and perspectives that contribute to the richness of human experience. Resisting conformity allows individuals to stand out and express themselves genuinely, rather than merely blending into the crowd. This commitment to authenticity fosters a sense of self-worth and confidence, empowering individuals to navigate life's complexities with clarity. Highlighting the significance of independent thought and self-reliance is crucial in this context. When individuals trust their instincts and beliefs, they cultivate a strong foundation for decision-making, enabling them to remain steadfast amidst external chaos. This self-reliance not only enhances personal resilience, but also encourages a deeper connection to one's values and aspirations. Emphasizing the value of living authentically leads to greater personal fulfillment. When individuals align their actions with their true selves, they experience a profound sense of purpose and satisfaction. Ultimately, embracing authenticity and self-trust allows individuals to thrive in a tumultuous world, creating a life that reflects their true essence and aspirations, rather than succumbing to societal pressures or expectations. In summary, we have explored the vital role of self-confidence and the importance of trusting one's intuition in navigating life's challenges. Emphasizing these qualities empowers individuals to make informed decisions and embrace their unique journeys. We discussed how self-trust serves as a foundation for resilience, enabling you to face obstacles with courage and clarity. Additionally, we highlighted the significance of self-exploration and the necessity of questioning external truths, encouraging you to seek your own path and embrace your individuality. As you reflect on these insights, I invite you to take actionable steps toward self-discovery. Whether it's journaling your thoughts, engaging in new experiences, or simply taking a moment to listen to your inner voice. Remember, the journey of personal growth is ongoing, and every small step counts. If you found this discussion valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement not only supports our community, but also fosters a space for further exploration of these important topics. Together, let's continue to cultivate self-confidence, trust our intuition, and embrace the journey of self-discovery. Thank you for joining us.